Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have a box full of toys. Let's start. This is a city bus. It's very low quality and colorful city bus. It's pink color. It's a electrical auto rickshaw. Wow. Electrical auto rickshaw, red, white. Colorful auto rickshaw. It's a police car, orange, yellow, red, black. It's a police car. Whoa! It's a dump truck. Very good quality dump truck. Wow. Red, yellow, colorful dump truck. Beko excavator. Wow, Beko excavator. Yellow, black. It's a Spider-Man car. Whoa! Red, blue, red, blue. Colorful Spider-Man car. Another dump truck. Wow! It's yellow color. Dump truck. Very good quality. Dump truck. It's a police car. Wow. Red and yellow color police car. Another police car. It's white and red. Wow. Colorful police car. It's a private car. Red color, private car. Wow. It's city bus, very cheap quality city bus. Blue, silver. Wow. Another police car. It's a Pajero police car. Wow. Red, gray. Tank truck. It's a oil tank truck. Green, red, yellow, orange. Ho ho. It's bulldozer. Wow. Yellow color bulldozer. It's very good quality. White. It's police car. It's very good quality police car. It's my last toy, a school bus. Wow, school bus. It's pink color, blue color, yellow color. Wow, colorful school bus.